technological advancement of doing the better search for data discovery is the primarily use case for Gen 3 is.
Got it. The initial use case, which was in Gen 1 for search, just the usability and the technological advancement around that feature got improved. And you mentioned technologies like graph technology. And you also mentioned very importantly that the technology is still proprietary to some of these names. And it seems like almost like the Google search has their own proprietary algorithms, and their search
Yeah.
is much better, right, than Yahoo and Bing, etc. So in the same way, these organizations came up with their own technology for searching.
Yes. Searching. Yeah.
Interesting.
But the thing is that it's very difficult to build this technology. The reason is
Hmm.
that even though you imagine that how much money Microsoft put it on Bing, acquired
Hmm.
companies, they like billions of dollars they poured into it. They couldn't make what Google is.
Yeah.
It's not the technology alone is the problem. It's the data underneath it is the problem. The user base is the problem, right?
Hmm.
So certain thing is technically not feasible to solve. There are
Hmm.
so even though they claim that there is a better chance of getting the data, but I will caution everybody that it's still the technology cannot solve the problem until unless you have a better curation. So I still say that people are looking for a better the technology thing that hey, can you give me the better results? But there is a data governance need is needed, which is generation two is
Hmm. Hmm.
solving it
Hmm.
to better curation of the data. Because if you have a better
Hmm.
curation, then the better
Hmm.
search will automatically come because you have a better curation of it. And then only one table is
Right.
responsible for one data. If you have a 20 tables and you're saying, find me the best table based on the user behavior, if 20 people use the bad data, that means the 21st person used the bad data again because the good data is
Hmm.
sitting underneath it, right? User engagement is not the right way of identifying it. That's why you see a lot of false narrative in the world, a lot of false things are presented because the only base they have is to identify the right information is the more people are believing into it. That they
Hmm.
seem that, but in terms of Google can build a company around it, but you can't take the wrong decisions on the data because more people believe this is the right data.
And if the way you were describing, it seems like if you have the technology, better search technology, but not the right underlying data, it's like you will get that garbage faster. It's
Garbage
like the
faster.
garbage in, garbage out. So
Yes.
so the as you the basic what you're trying to search, the data that needs to be governed and curated and quality assured.